Hello everyone, welcome, namaste to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day to teach you, to guide you in your yoga practice, to help you become more centered, more peaceful, and more calm. And let's begin our practice. For that, we will go back on our mats. Now let's explore some movements, some asanas for the spine also. For this, we will first practice side bending, okay? Parshtadasana. From here, you'll just stay next to the wall. The wall will be on the side. You'll place your right hand, the hand close to the wall, this way, okay? One arm distance. And for the other arm, keep watching. You'll try to bring it close to the wall. So again, two things. आपका hip wall से दूर जाएगा और आपका opposite हाथ wall की तरफ जाएगा. Let's practice it 10 counts on each side. Everyone. Placing the right hand on the right side. Feet can be hip distance. Opposite arm will go towards the wall. Think of pushing the wall completely as the hip goes away. This way. You'll feel a deep stretch in the side body. Now hold. Remember to not sink from here. If you don't push the wall, the stretch will not happen. So make sure you push the wall so you create that opposition and you reach, hold. You must be feeling this nice deep stretch here. Keep holding that. Stay there. Stay. Hold everyone, deep breaths. Few more seconds. And relax. Amazing. Notice that nice lengthening happening in the lateral body. Good job. Let's do it on the other side also. Left hand. So you can just turn. Place the other hand on the wall, the arm which is closer. The arm which is away will reach towards the wall as you take the hip away. And you try to hold. Keep opening up the chest. Do not sink the chest. हाथ को ऊपर, हिप बाहर, वॉल को पुश करके रखें. Notice the deep stretch happening in the right side of the body. Stay. Deep breaths. And gently release. Come back center. Beautiful, everyone. Take one deep breath. As I say, always in between asanas, take out some time, not just to rest and recover, but also to receive and absorb the practice. So what you just practiced, now take a moment, take a breath or two, notice what it did to your body, notice what it did to your thoughts, to your breath, how better you feel. Just notice, okay? Keep a note of it. It will help you understand how the practice is working for you. Okay, with that, let's start doing the next posture. This again is a variation of Parshtadasana, the standing side bending posture. मेरे साथ ही कर लीजिए. This is a simple, easy follow along asana. For this, you will stand with the wall next to you. You'll use your opposite hand, the arm which is away from the wall, and you'll keep it on the wall this way. So, आपका ये वाला arm will cross from the front as you place it on the wall. And now the other arm, the arm which is close to the wall, will go away. So basically it's the same thing. We are now just reversing the roles of your arms. This one is slightly more challenging. Stay. Hold. Stay. And gently relax. I know holding here is a little tricky, which is why we're only holding it for 8 to 10 seconds, not more than that. Let's try it on the other side. Turn around. Remember, the arm which is away from the wall will go on the wall. The arm which is close to the wall will go away from the wall. So this way. Hold. Remember to push the wall away as you bend from the spine. Keep holding. Deep breaths. And gently release, relax. Amazing, everyone. These were two variations of your Parshv Tadasana, just a simple standing side bending, helps to open up your side body. Let's now understand another movement of the spine, which is twisting. By the way, we've done all of these movements in the warm-up. Okay, so हम जो everyday warm-up करते हैं, उसमें we make sure that we do all of these movements anyway. Now we are just trying to dig a little deeper and understand these in depth. So now let's understand the twist. For this, watch me first. You will face the wall as close as possible. हाथों को chest के बगल में रखकर you'll extend your left arm completely. Just watch me. Now, if your left arm is extended, you will make sure कि आपका palm और आपका armpit is in contact with the wall as you try to twist from the right side. So you start turning your feet, you start turning your chest. I will also show it to you from the other side. So I will extend my right arm and I will twist from the left side this way. Okay, let's practice it. 10 counts each. Standing close to the wall, everyone, as close as possible. Let's extend the left arm out, hand and shoulder in one line. Keeping the armpit connected to the wall, we will now slightly walk away. We will twist away and we'll hold. Make sure this does not happen. So you're not walking away from the wall. You are completely close to the wall. You're just twisting the spine. Try to look on the opposite side. Notice the deep stretch happening in your biceps, in your chest. As you rotate your spine, hold. Deep breaths. Come back center. Good job. Amazing, everyone. Let's try it on the other side. Again, reset. Start in this base position. Extend your right arm as you start turning from the left shoulder, making sure the right arm is connected to the wall. So you don't disconnect it, but you keep it connected. Okay? Stay there. You can close your eyes if you want to feel the stretch, if you want to experience it more. Hold. Keep a smile on your face so the body does not stress. And gently come out of the pose. Amazing. Good job. We will practice it one more time with a slight variation this time. Okay, so watch. The same thing, इस बार हम arm को 90 degrees bend कर देंगे. So this will give you a deeper stretch in the chest and this is a slightly advanced variation of the same posture. So let's practice it again, everyone, with me. Stay close to the wall, extend your left arm, but this time we will try to bend from the elbow. Okay, so you make this 90-degree angle. So this is what I want to see on the wall. And from there again, you turn from the right shoulder. Now notice this will be a deeper stretch for the shoulder. You feel a deep stretch happening in your delts, shoulders. Stay there. Hold. Deep breaths. And gently come back center. This felt amazing, right? At least it did to me. My shoulder feels amazing. I hope it did for you too. Let's do it on the other side also. Stay close to the wall. Extend your right arm. Bend from the elbow 90 degree. This, okay? And gently twist from the left shoulder. Stay there. Keep holding. You can close your eyes if you wish. Stay, stay, stay. Hold. And relax. Amazing. Good job. Breathe. One last variation of the same thing. Okay, we'll do it one last time. Except that this time we will bend the elbow downwards. This way. So what we are ideally trying to do here is हम shoulder को rotation मिला रहे हैं. So this is external rotation, this is internal rotation. So now you'll do the same thing. You'll extend, you'll bend your elbow and you'll get your arm downwards this way. And you will turn other side. Okay, let's try everyone. Staying close to the wall, arm extends. You will bend from the elbow. This time the palm faces out. Try to keep the elbow close to the wall and you turn. This will be slightly difficult, but try. Stay. This is internal rotation of the shoulder. As much as you can. Twist, hold, stay, stay, stay. And gently release. Good job. Let's try it on the other side. Again, you'll straighten your arm and you'll bend your elbow this way. Alright, you'll get the arm downwards. And you will gently rotate from the left side. Stay there. Keep your shoulder in contact with the wall. Stay, 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 stay. And beautiful. Relax, rest everyone. Amazing. Good job. Let's move on to another movement of the spine. This was twisting. Now we understand extension and flexion. In simpler language, back को arch करना या back को fold करना. ये दो movements हम practice करेंगे. For the first one, you will stand away from the wall. Again, watch me first. I'm demonstrating. Try to watch me first. Feet will be hip distance comfortably. हाथों को कमर पे इस तरीके से रखना है that you can balance and you can support your lower back. So you're not just placing it here, you are supporting your lower back. Okay. Now from here, you'll just try to go up and back. So I will push my feet down, I will push the hip forward, chest out, and I will try to lift up. First, try to look up at the ceiling, keep pushing the hip forward, try to look at the wall. Just try to look at the wall, stay for 5 counts, and you will come back up. So we are not touching the wall here, we are just using the wall to find a spot, to find a focus point. We will do it 2 times for 5 counts only. Okay, stand approximately 2 feet away from the wall. Feet will be hip distance or wider. हाथों को कमर पे रखेंगे, lower back को support करेंगे fully. Elbows will be tucked in, shoulders backward. Inhale, lift. You keep breathing as you gently push the hip forward, chest out, and you just try to gently drop the neck as much as you can. You try to look at a point on the wall. And gently support your lower back, come back up, breathe. This is a little challenging, I know. जिन्हें ये करने में difficulty हो रही है, it is fine, you can only go till here. It's fine if you can't find a spot on the wall, no problem. You can just go here, you can look at the ceiling. Advanced practitioners, on the other hand, if you can find a spot on the wall, try further getting the spot downwards and further downwards. So the more you can bend, the better. Let's practice it one more time, everyone, with me. Feet will be hip distance, hands supported on your lower back, elbows tucked. Inhale, lift, smile on your face. Let's go. Supporting the lower back, you gently arch. You go back, stay. You can slightly bend your knees also if you wish. And gently, everyone, come back up. Relax, breathe, take a short break. Amazing, everyone. We're doing great. I hope you're liking the class. Join Times Health Plus Instagram community. Follow us on YouTube so you're not missing out on all the reels that we are posting for you, on all the wellness tips we are posting for you. So that way you can also practice apart from the classes. You're practicing yoga throughout, in and out. I will now sign off. This is me, Apurva. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next class. Till then, keep your spine up, keep a smile on your face, and stay grateful always. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.